Managing help desk in Deskpro? Then you shouldn't ignore integrating it with KrispCall. Deskpro integration in KrispCall saves you a lot of hassle and time, syncing contacts on the go so you don't have to repeat the same task. Logging call logs automatically so you don't have to put in manual effort. And direct calling and SMS from Deskpro to make sure your phone sits on the help desk, not just another tab. Here's how you can set it up in quick, easy steps. Simply sign up or log into your KrispCall account. Go to Settings, click on Integrations, search for Deskpro, and click Connect. Now, to access the API key for the pop-up, head over to your Deskpro account. There, go to the admin panel, click on API keys, copy the key along with your Deskpro URL, and paste it in KrispCall. Next, click on Connect Now, and it's done. Your Deskpro integration in KrispCall is successful. Once connected, use integration settings to customize data sync preferences. In general settings, enable or disable contact and notes sync as needed. Then in workflow settings, pick specific or all logs to sync, and in connected numbers, select the numbers you want to use for calls and SMS in Deskpro. After that, start creating contacts or importing them using a CSV file. The contacts simply sync to your Deskpro account without additional work. With contacts ready, making follow-up calls doesn't require coming back to KrispCall. But make sure to install the KrispCall dialer extension on your browser. Now click on the KrispCall icon beside the number, then select the call option to open the dialer. Next, pick your preferred number and start dialing. During calls, even add notes and tags from the dialer, and they stay updated right in their respective support tickets. Also, as the calls end, logs get synced to their tickets instantly along with their recordings. Sending and receiving SMS is also the same. Only choose SMS option in the KrispCall icon. Then in the dialer, type your message and send it. The sent messages are immediately stored inside tickets, and every inbound SMS also syncs right there as the queries start to add. With activated voicemail, missed calls, sync voicemail recordings as links right in Deskpro tickets so you can immediately make follow-ups and resolve the issues. That's how KrispCall with Deskpro integration makes support calls faster, help desks redefined, and businesses connected with customers. Just every conversation exactly where it needs to be without extra work. Visit KrispCall.com and integrate Deskpro today.